Hello guys, so this is Tech. So today this is the new update about the AI we're trying to build, and then we showed you yesterday the the back end section, but this time around we are going to be running it on the front end using our local server. So let's just dive into it. So we have this classroom section is the major reason why we are building this, to teach you to do a lot of things with you. So let's just dive into it. We have this learning section. This is the major part of it, but we just make it a basic one for now, teach you a little things and then refer you to a video for now. But the quiz section is almost done too. So we have this HTML, we have Python, we have different kind of course, and we have a section that's gonna tell you
starting Python quiz.
It will tell you what quiz you are starting. So we choose this question 2. It tells you have 30 seconds, so we're still building more.
Next question. What does the term MIME stand for in regards to computing?
You see, so we still have a lot of things we are still going to be building for you. We can just choose
Next
something.
question.
You have 30
In web
seconds.
design. Next question.
Things. So
next question.
Let's just try and complete one. Hopefully I get one out of this. I'm trying to complete it to 20 to 30.
Next.
Okay. All right. So let's this one. So it's
quiz finished. You scored 2 out of 30.
2 out of 30. That means I I passed. But that is actually the update. So thank you so much, guys. See you next time.